Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a volunteer organization with VolunteerMatch, complete guide step by step. To start a volunteer organization using VolunteerMatch, begin with a clear vision of your mission. Identify the community needs you want to address. Conduct research to understand the existing resources and gaps in your area. Write a mission statement that reflects your goals and purpose. Recruit a dedicated team of volunteers who share your vision. Define specific roles within your organization for effective organization. Establish a legal structure for your organization, such as a nonprofit status if needed. Create a detailed plan outlining your objectives, strategies, and budget. Register your organization with VolunteerMatch to gain access to resources. Craft a compelling profile on VolunteerMatch to attract potential volunteers. Include a clear description of your organization's mission, goals, and volunteer opportunities. Highlight the benefits of volunteering with your organization. Promote your volunteer opportunities on social media and within your community. Host outreach events to raise awareness and engage potential volunteers. Network with other organizations to build partnerships and share resources. Provide training and support for your volunteers to ensure their success. Set up a system for tracking volunteer hours and gathering feedback. Recognize and appreciate your volunteers for their contributions regularly. Evaluate your organization's progress and impact periodically. Adjust your strategies and goals based on feedback and community needs. Continue to grow your volunteer base by promoting ongoing opportunities. Utilize VolunteerMatch to post new openings and reach a wider audience. Foster a sense of community among volunteers to encourage retention. Stay connected with your volunteers through newsletters and updates. Celebrate milestones and achievements to keep morale high. Maintain clear communication channels within your organization. Create a sustainable plan for continuing your mission long-term. With dedication and the right tools, you can make a significant impact through your volunteer organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.